Hello dear friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the beeping sound on a desktop, especially HP desktop. So for example, if I turn this computer on, so first of all I put the power on. So I put the power on, then I come to my PC and try to turn it on. It's taking some seconds. So the PC is turning on, but you realize that as it is turning on, it will start to bring this beep and producing beeping sound. So how can you be able to solve this error so that the PC works perfectly? And if you look at our monitor, it is not displaying anything. So we need to solve this. So for you to be able to do that, first of all, switch off the electricity. After switching off the electricity, remove the cover or the lid of your computer. And this is the internal parts of the computer. This is the internal part of it. So you realize that this computer is somehow dusty, but that's not a big problem. So for you to be able to solve now the issue of the beeping sound, you need to go to the RAM. And if you want to see the RAM, so the RAM is here. This is the RAM. This is the RAM here. This one. This is the RAM. So you can realize that the RAM is here, but it is very dusty and also it is very dirty. So I'll pause the video, just blow the RAM or remove this dust, then we return it and try to see if the computer works perfectly. So as you can be able to see now, I have cleaned the RAM. Is better now. So we will try and return the RAM into the computer and try to see if it will work again properly. So I'll return the RAM. So take the RAM, come back to the slot here, to the slot of the RAM. So try to fix it properly. Then make sure you press it well so that it can be fixed. So if it doesn't enter correctly, then try to see this thing, if it is correctly aligned. Sorry for the camera. So press it to make sure that it is well fixed. After you have fixed that, so I'll go back, switch on electricity, and come back, try to turn on again. So I'll try to turn on the PC again. So I turn it on, and after turning it on, you will realize that the beeping sound is no longer there. The beeping sound, sorry, it did not turn on. So after turning it on, you can see now it is showing green, meaning that there is no error and the computer is now booting. And if we come now back to our PC, to our monitor, you can be able to see that the Windows is just booting properly. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe.